Hi. So in this video, we're going to discuss about C295 transport military aircraft. Okay, let us start this. So you can see this. This is the aircraft. You have C295 transportation aircraft, mainly used for military purpose. Okay, what is it? Military purpose. Okay. So why we are learning this C295 military aircraft now? Because now Spain is coming to India and they are going to set up this facility in India itself. Okay, so this will replace already existing 748 transport fleet, and we'll have only C295 in place. Okay, so what is this? So C295, we are going to buy 56 aircraft straight away from the Spain. Okay, and some of them will be made in India. Please write down made in India. Okay, some of them will be made in India. Some of them will be coming in a ready to fly setup. That means we'll buy them and buy. That means you can say fly away. Okay, you can see. Okay, I'll change this to dark color. You can see 16 aircrafts are going to come in a fly away condition. Okay, that means they are coming in the condition we can straight away use it for flying. Others one will be made in India. So where it is coming from, the company which is making this, please write down. The company which is making this is Airbus. Airbus, from which country? It is from Spain. Okay, India is going to spend around 21,000 crore. 21,000 crore to buy this aircraft. Okay, so who is doing it in India? Okay, so Spain company Airbus is doing in Spain. So when it comes to India, please underline or write down in your notebook. Tata Advanced System. Tata Advanced System is going to do this in India in association with the Airbus. Okay, so these are the two companies going for a joint venture. Okay, so this 56 this one Airbus which is going to come, plus we are going to buy additionally also. Okay, that I'll tell you later. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to promote indigenization. Okay, I told you already. There's a concept called made in India. Either you can say made in India or make in India is better. Okay, make in India. Okay, make in India plan is going to set up. So Spain. So what kind of question? Whenever you read anything, what is it should have in your mind? How this can be converted into a question? Okay. So first question is which country is doing this C295? Answer is Spain. In India, which country, which company is doing this? Tata Advanced System. Okay. Where is the facility located? The facility is located in Vadodara. Okay. So what is this? This is fitted with the indigenous radar warning receiver. Please write down this. This is a military transport, but it will have a indigenous radar warning system. Who is building this radar? Bharat Electrical Limited is building this. Okay, so military transportation aircraft, okay, is coming from Spain. In India, Tata is doing this. In that, a radar will be there. Okay, the radar will be done by a Bharat Electricals Limited. Okay, so these are the points you can take from this slide. Okay, next is what is the capacity of this? Okay, it has a capacity of, please write down, 5 to 10 tons of material it can take. Okay, it can take up to 71 troops. Okay, 50 paratroopers can do. Okay, so basically the purpose of this is to have a transportation, right? So from one division to another place, it's a nook and corner of India, from North India, South India, Northeast India, wherever you want, you can do a transportation. So the capacity is 5 to 10 tons of logistics you can take up. Okay, 51 troops you can take up, 50 parameters you can take up. Okay, and the thing is, it can take, please underline, very, very important. Why we are going for this? Okay, we are going for this because short takeoff and land. Okay, the runway needed is very short. Okay, so immediately it can take off and it can land, including a hilly region. Very, very important. Including a hilly region, C295 can land and it can take off. Okay, and very importantly, we'll have a air-to-air refueling. Okay, this is very important for long endurance. Please write down this word, long endurance. That means how long it can travel. It can travel to longer distance. Across the globe it can travel because we have a mid-air fueling or air-to-air refueling. This kind of mid-air fueling we also have with the Rafale. Okay. Now tell me somebody, with which country we are buying this Rafale? Rafale is not made in India. We are buying this from some other country. That country I want you to recollect. Okay. So whenever you learn something, try to learn similar things from the other aspects. We are talking about C295 military aircraft. What is the comparison with the Rafale? Rafale is totally a fighter jet. Fighter jet is not a transportation aircraft. But Rafale has got mid-air fueling. Air-to-air fueling is there as well. Okay. Then excellent maneuvering is there. Okay, then hot and high performance fuel consumption is very for low. So for long endurance, I told you already, you can say 13 hours it can go up to a 30,000 feet height. Okay, so height will be 30,000 feet, and 13 hours it can float with the same fuel without any refueling. If you want, you can do a refueling also. Okay, so what the takeaway from this slide? You have it is a transportation aircraft. We know it has the capacity of 5 to 10 tons. Yes, we know. Then 71 troops can be taken away, 50 paratroopers can be taken away, short takeoff, short landing. That means runway can be very small, it can take off. Okay, it is using in the hilly regions also, semi-terrain, semi-prepared surface also you can use it. Okay, mid-air fueling is there, hot and high performance, long endurance. Okay, so already I told you this word, make in India. Okay, so 56 completely is not built in Spain. Okay, only 16 is coming from the Spain as a flyaway. Okay, we are buying some more also. You can look at the latest current affairs. We are buying some more. I think we are buying total of 71 something. We are buying. Please check that. Okay, so make in India is going to promote, because in India, in place called Vadodara. Please write down this place. Vadodara. This is being built. Okay, so it is built by the Tata Advanced System. Okay, the process of manufacturing, please underline the word manufacturing, assembling, testing, okay, qualification, delivery, maintenance. Okay, all this is a life cycle of a aircraft. Okay, we call that as a facility. Okay, write down facility for assembly. Okay, this is the facility which we are going to have in Vadodara, facility for assembly. Okay, so that's about this C295.